Welcome to the future of luxury, the 2025 Genesis G90, where elegance meets innovation and every detail is crafted to redefine excellence. The Genesis G90 is a statement of elegance and innovation. Its bold crest grille and distinctive two-line LED lighting create a striking front-end presence. Smooth, sculpted lines and chrome accents highlight its aerodynamic profile, while 20-inch alloy wheels add a touch of modern sophistication. Step inside the 2025 Genesis G90, where luxury is redefined. Soft Nappa leather seats, open pore wood trim, and brushed metal accents create an environment of refined comfort. Technology is at your fingertips. A 12.3-inch central touchscreen offers seamless connectivity, while rear passengers enjoy executive-class comfort with reclining seats and personalized controls. Customizable ambient lighting and a 23-speaker Bang & Olufsen sound system transform every journey into an extraordinary experience. Under the hood, a twin-turbocharged 3.5-liter V6 engine delivers 375 horsepower, with an optional 48-volt mild hybrid system for enhanced efficiency. Adaptive driving modes and all-wheel drive ensure unparalleled performance and control. The 2025 Genesis G90 starts at $90,000, with the fully equipped Prestige trim available for $110,000. A new standard of luxury awaits.